So I forgot to post this this morning. I delivered my first skid steer in Carlton, Ohio. It ended up being a complete mud pit in there. So my clean truck is no longer clean. And then I went to Xenopol, Pennsylvania, and then here to 84. So stay tuned. Delivered in Carlton, Ohio. I am now in Xenopil, Pennsylvania. Getting my second of the 3 skid steers off the trailer. I'll get back to it soon. Alright, so this bucket's going. I had 2 straps. This is another one going to 84, Pennsylvania. This is a Big Bertha that's coming here. I got most of this securement off. Just got to get the one chain that was holding the bucket down. And then I did 4 direct. But after this, I won't be able to deliver this to Carlton tomorrow morning, and then we'll see what we get from there. Yeah, so I was able to take that 3rd skid steer down to 84. It was about an hour away, so I got it unloaded. So now I'm fresh for the morning, just waiting for a load. Parking here is a little interesting. Ended up having to buy a reserve spot. There's nothing really around here, so yeah, with that said, we'll see what happens tomorrow.